Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. And I'm testing another fragrance from the Midwest Fragrance Company. So this one is Apple Cider Donut. This one also darkens, just like last week's soap. You can probably tell by the name it's going to darken. And I think it has even more vanillin, so it's going to darken even more than the last one. So I got a really good result from this one. This was pumpkin pecan waffles, really happy with that one. And the fragrance performed beautifully, so we'll just see how it holds up in soap now. So we'll do a little bit different design with this one. The base of the soap is going to be brown since it's going to darken. It would be mocha brown for that. I just go ahead and put that in because that makes it equal and even. I just think the end result is better if you go ahead and put a brown mica or some sort of brown colorant in if your fragrance is going to darken. Then in the accents in that, I know we're a little more fall colorish, but anyway, that's what we're doing today. I'm going to drop swirl in Orange Vibrance from Nurture Soap with a little bit of Tangerine Wow from Brambleberry just to stabilize that and make it a little bit deeper orange. And I'm going to drop swirl in some Green Vibrance. This is usually a pretty bright green. I'm going to put some extra in, hoping it'll turn just a little bit darker. So since it's going to be a brown soap, kind of a fall looking soap, with those drop accents, I'm seeing in my mind that yellow frosting on top of that brown would look good. I hope it does. I hope I'm not sorry. But I'm going to do it anyway and try it. So I will be using Nurture Soap's Yellow Vibrance. That's another one that isn't real stable, so I'm going to put a little bit of tennis ball breaker in from Mad Micah's to stabilize that. And I think that's it. So I'm soaping at room temperature, so give me a minute to get everything mixed up and in my containers, and I'll be back and we'll get started. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready. So let's start with the base of our soap, which is going to be brown, and this is the only part that's going to be fragrance, and this represents about 50% of the soap. And it's going to darken considerably according to the website and the amount of vanillin that's in it. So let's just go ahead and make this a nice deep brown. No holding back on that. And Midwest Fragrance said that this has no performance issues, other than turning brown, of course, so not too worried about it. And other reviews didn't say anything about acceleration. All I'm going to do is get it mixed in and quickly into the mold. So I'm going to use this entire 2-ounce bottle in here because it has a high percentage usage rate, and this equals about 6%, which is what I normally use if the fragrance allows it. I usually don't buy anything much lower than that. So let's just kind of give it a quick... Yeah, it's fine. Yep, no problems at all. Very nice and fluid. So let's set that aside and let's go ahead and get our accents mixed up just in case it decides to set up on us. And that's more than the usual amount of green vibrance, but I'm hoping I'll get a little bit darker green by using more than I should. Let's get these mixed up. And that's setting up on me. I'm going to have to get my hanger tool out. May have stick blended it too much with the fragrance. Probably should have done a little bit less, knowing that I'm going to be dropping it in. But anyway. These will be unfragranced. Yeah, that's set up a bit on me, so I'm going to pour pretty high. But that broke it right up, so look how fluid that is with the unscented batter in it. So that'll have to sit a while. I will be back and we'll get started on our frosting. Okay, I'm back and it's time to cut our second soap. Testing a second fragrance from Midwest Fragrance Company, and this one is the apple cider donut. So on the pour, I don't know what on earth I was thinking. I stick blended the daylights out of the brown, knowing that I was going to drop something into it, and it started to thicken up on me before I got my accents mixed. So I poured them really high and took the hanger. We'll see. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. Definitely not as planned, but I have a good bar of soap, so what matters. And okay, yeah, that didn't quite. Let's see. It's not bad. I mean, it's not bad at all, really. I mean, I can see some definitions. I do like the yellow on top. I wasn't sure if I would or not. But I can see some, definite lines of green and orange on the inside. So definitely not what I had in mind, but at the same time, definitely not bad. I'd like a little more definition in it, but that's okay. It does smell good, and it's a bar soap. That's what matters. And that's what I have for this week. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. And I'll see you next time around. Bye, everybody.